Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. So in today's video, I'm going to share a meal that I made for my husband. I really love the chicken necks. It tastes really good. Let's start. So the first thing is to cut the meat open so the sauce will get in the meat. The leg will be more flavorful and also it will be faster to cook it. After this, I will make sauce. Okay, and then we make sauce. This is the 炸酱面 sauce. I got it at the Chinese market. Then I will add some chili powder, red pepper, black pepper. I will mix it well and I will pour it on the chicken. And I will let it sit for 4 hours. Okay, so it's already after about 1 hour. I can't wait for that long. Well, it looks really good. Add some more spice on it. And then I'll just put it in the oven and bake them for 25 minutes. So when the chicken is cooking, I will make asparagus. How do you cook your asparagus? I like to stir asparagus with egg. Yeah, that's my favorite. Ta-da! And then we will stir fry the egg first. Add some pepper in it, chili pepper, and then we add some salt. So the egg has more flavor. Okay, let's fry some egg. And then we'll take it out. Add some more oil and we will stir fried asparagus. When the asparagus is cooking, let's check if the chicken is cooked. Cut the meat open. Well, it looks like it's cooked. It looks pretty tender. It's cooked. There's no red meat. And then we put back in. And we will add some salt, pepper, chili powder, and red pepper flakes. I like to eat this. I remember when I was young, my mom used to cook me this. It's pretty nice. You could add some soy sauce if it's not flavorful. Add a little bit. The food is ready.
Well, I'm going to sit here and watch your latest cat video.
What cat video?
Your cat cafe, China cafe cat video.
You already watched it.
I'm watching it again.
Are you hungry?
Yes. Super hungry.
I told you don't have snacks before the food.
Nom, nom, nom. Oh, nom, nom, nom. The chicken looks good.
It is. I think that is my favorite way to make asparagus.
How to chop it up really tiny.
Yes, yes.
Asparagus, I thought it was green beans.
Really? It's not green beans, it's asparagus.
Huh.
You don't know it?
I thought it was green beans.
No, it's not green beans.
It tastes pretty good.
It is. How is the egg?
Oh, the egg tastes good. What did you soak the chicken in?
I used the special sauce. I used the sauce before.
Mayonnaise?
Mmm.
Mustard?
Mmm. It's really tender. I think it's the right time. I cooked this for 25 minutes and I turn it off and leave it in the oven for like 10 minutes. Is the chicken good?
Yes, baby, it's wonderful.
It is flavorful?
Yes, baby, it's very flavorful. Thank you for my afternoon lunch / dinner snack.
I told you don't eat snacks before the food. You only had some cereals. That will not make you full. It's very juicy. Did you feel it?
Yes, it's very juicy.
It tastes so better than the one you cooked in the rice cooker.
Are you trying to compare my food to your food? Are you trying to make a competition here?
No, I'm just saying this tastes, I think
Better.
this tastes really good. And just the right time. It's very juicy, right? Do you like it?
Yes.
I used the 炸酱面 sauce cook this, and I also added some seasoning on it. Next time I could add honey in the sauce, then it will taste sweet. It's really good and it's really simple. I didn't soak it for 4 hours. If it's for 4 hours, it will be more flavorful. I soak it over 1 hour because I can't wait.
Why couldn't you wait?
Because this morning I just had cereal, so I was hungry. The asparagus tastes good with the egg. It's really good chicken. I think I like chicken legs more than the ground pork.
Ground pork's easier to eat.
It tastes very fresh. It's better than the fried chicken you buy at the fast food. Sometimes they fry the chicken too hard.
I agree.
Is it cooked?
Probably cooked enough.
No. I think you don't have to finish the rice if you are not hungry.
Thank you for giving me permission to not eat my rice.
No, I'm just saying. Do you like the late lunch?
Well, I had to have a snack first because I was so hungry.
I don't know your schedule.
My hands are all chickeny now. I've got chicken fingers.
Oh, I still have the chicken feet I haven't cooked. Tomorrow I will make you chicken feet for dinner. The chicken is really good. Very tender. Usually when I eat chicken, I will add sauce, right? But when we eat this chicken, we didn't add sauce. It's very flavorful. I remember the chicken, the already cooked chicken you buy from the grocery. The meat is very dry. This meat is not dry. I really like it.
Thank you for my chicken. Now I have more work fuel to fuel me while I continue to work.
Do you want to take a nap? You didn't have to have the asparagus.
Some asparagus.
Do you want to eat it or I save it for you?
Oh no, that's fine. Go ahead and eat all the meat. Eat all the chicken.
This is really good and it's very easy. We should make this option.
Would you like a glass of water or something?
No.
Are you sure?
You didn't.
Chicken.
You didn't eat your.
Chicken.
I don't know what's the right time to make food.
Chicken.
Next time, before you eat snack, will you wait for the real food?
You were never, not even close to cooking anything when I ate my snack. You only cooked this because you know I just ate my snack. And you hurried up. You told me that this was needed to soak for 4 hours.
Yes, but
And then as soon as I ate my snack, you're like, okay, I'm not gonna wait the 4 hours. I'm just gonna go ahead and cook it. Cause you were like, haha, he already ate his snack, so now I'm gonna feed him. Why? Why?
I don't think we can finish it. When you will be hungry for dinner.
When I get my next task completed, probably somewhere around 6 or 7, maybe I will be hungry again. But by that time, you will have eaten everything all afternoon, just know where you're snacking, and then there'll be no food left, and then I'll have a snack, and then you'll say, why did you eat a snack? Because I'm about to make dinner.
Okay, then I will stop. After I finish this, I really want the chicken. The chicken tastes really good.
I mean, I'm just happy eating my
Can we
cereal and oatmeal all the time.
Can we cut it in half? We share.
Just go ahead and eat the thing, baby. I don't need it.
I feel like it's not even.
Is it ever even? You always get more.
We cut it in half. We share this one. Do you want to share this one?
It's okay, baby. You can have it. I'll sacrifice my chicken so you can have it.
Okay, then I will eat it. I will make you.
So easy. You just accepted that so easy. Okay, well I'll eat it.
Oh, okay. We share it.
Not even 3 times. You're supposed to wait 3 times. I'm supposed to give it to you 3 times before you take it.
I can't believe this tastes so good. I think I love my food more and more now.
Yes, it's always great to love ourselves and what we do.
I also love your spaghetti you made last night with tomatoes. That's what tastes really good. I really like it. I would love to have it more. Let's have a knife.
No, that's okay, baby. Go ahead.
Are you
That's
sure
okay.
then?
Don't share it with me. That's fine.
Say you're going upstairs. If you're leaving, then I will watch the Captain of America. I will watch my movie and eat.
Okay, I'll go work.
I will edit the video after I eat. Try it out, especially the chicken necks. Tastes really tender. Have you cooked asparagus that way? I like to stir fry eggs with a lot of vegetables. Eggs just goes with a lot of vegetables and tastes really good. Like tomato, onion, or cucumber. They all go good with eggs. I hope you like this video. I will see you in the next video soon. Bye!